What's up, guys? Jay Cohen, the mosaic is happening in about 40 minutes. That is the next break we have after the absolute here is mosaic. That's going to be happening in about 40 minutes. So right now we do have our 2020 absolute football fat packs, one box break number 63. Everything is, all teams are accounted for. So we're going to show the owner's list and get right into it. This is box number 63. There we go. It's our owner's list. Here's our box. Absolute Football Fat Packs sealed box 2020. All right, let's get her open and get the packs out. Let's see what we got here. Alright, that's our packs opened up. Everything is out. We are ready to go. Good luck, guys. A handful of Dobbins, Judy, and Claypools would be perfect. Alright, well, I'd say I got a pretty good chance of pulling at least a couple of those guys. Well, that's a good one. If you guys saw that, that's a good start. Green Derek Carr, green Deebo Samuel, and for the Miami Dolphins, right off the bat, we have a Tua Tagovailoa green rookie. Tua Tagovailoa green. First green rookie of the break is a Tua. It's a good sign. It's going to Miami. Carey C. There you go, Carey C. There's a green Tua rookie for you. Nice start. We got a Fantasy Flashbacks, Brett Favre. Josh Allen, Stargazing insert. Noah IG. There's a Dobbins. J.K. Dobbins for John. It's one of the three he wanted. We got to find a Judy and a Claypool now. There's a Cam Akers, Keyshawn Vaughn, Larry Fitzgerald, Russell Wilson, green DeAndre Hopkins, green J.J. Watt. And then for the San Francisco 49ers, we have a Javon Kinlaw. Javon Kinlaw, green for the 49ers. It's going out to Emily G. Unsung Heroes, Shaquille Barrett. Red Zone, Josh Jacobs. And there's a Jerry Judy. So we got the Dobbins and the Judy right off the bat, followed by a CD Lamb. There's another one for Denver, KJ Hamler. Jake Luton, Hightower. Wow, so we just started the box, and we've already got 2 of the 3 requests from John K. Now we just got to find that Claypool, and we'll have the trifecta. Green Adrian Peterson, green Miles Sanders, and for the New York Jets, we have a LaMichael Perrin. Michael Perrin, green rookie for the Jets. Dalvin Cook, Stargazing. Introductions, insert rookie, Justin Jefferson. That's a nice one for the Vikings. Luke S. Derek Brown. Quintez Cephas. And there is a Jalen Hurts. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. That's going out to Matthew F. There you go, Matthew F. Nice little Jalen Hurts. A.J. Dillon. Jonathan Taylor. Cole Kmet. Jacob Eason. Yatir Gross-Matos. Green Devontae Adams. Green Todd Gurley. And then for the Colts, we have a Desmond Patman. Desmond Patman for the Colts. Red Zone, DJ Chark, insert. Fantasy Flashback, Warren Moon for the Houston Oilers. That's going to go to the Tennessee Titans. Let's see what we got here. There's a Jordan Love for the Packers. Jamie C. Nice card. Laviska Shenault Jr. Zach Moss. And we got a Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow for the Cincinnati Bengals. Cincinnati Bengals are going to Ramona M. There you go, Ramona. Nice Joe Burrow for you. And then we did get a Chase Claypool. So that's the 3 for John. Dobbins, Judy, and there's a Claypool. There you go, John. We hit the trifecta. Green Dalvin Cook, green CJ Mosley. For the Bengals, we have a T. Higgins, green rookie. T. Higgins. Brandon Ayuk, introductions insert rookie for the 49ers. Unsung Heroes, Curtis Samuel. Lynn Bowden Jr. Joe Reed. There's a Chase Young for Washington. Emily G. Nice Chase Young. Travis Kelce. We have, for the 49ers, Raheem Mostert. Dak Prescott. I'm glad to hear that, John. I do that fairly often for people. It's weird. It's very weird. When people call for cards in the chat, I seem to always find them. James Prochet, green for the Ravens. Fantasy Flashbacks, Plaxico Burress. Stargazing, Saquon Barkley. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Devin Duvernay, that's another one for the Ravens. James Morgan. Colin Johnson. We have greens of Jared Goff and Austin Eckler. And our green rookie is a JaMycal Hasty for the 49ers. JaMycal Hasty. We have a Jonathan Taylor, introductions insert rookie. Zadarius Smith. And then for Miami, we have another Tua Tagovailoa. Miami is going to Carrie C. There's your second Tua, Carrie. Tua Tagovailoa. Very nice. Javon Kinlaw. Michael Perrin. T. Higgins, rookie. Anthony McFarland Jr. Josh Uche. There's a Tom Brady just hanging out. And our rookies are David Johnson green, Darren Waller green, and our rookie is Antoine Winfield Jr. for the Buccaneers. Antoine Winfield Jr. And we have Fantasy Flashbacks, Terrell Davis. Stargazing, Odell Beckham Jr. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Thaddeus Moss. Joshua Kelly. Grant Delpit. Carson Wentz, green. Christian McCaffrey, green. And for the Chargers, Joshua Kelly, green rookie for the Chargers, Joshua Kelly. It's going out to Jeremy W. Unsung Heroes, Julian Edelman. Red Zone, Lamar Jackson. There's an Antonio Gandy Golden for Washington. DeAndre Swift for Detroit. Michael Pittman Jr., Henry Ruggs III, Tyler Johnson, Jalen Johnson. There's a Brandon Ayuk. Nice run of rookies there. Frank Clark, Khalil Mack. We have some greens of Julio Jones and Dwayne Haskins. Then we have a Damon Arnett, green rookie for the Raiders. Damon Arnett. Michael Thomas, Stargazing. We have another Tua for Miami. Tua Tagovailoa, introductions insert rookie for the Miami Dolphins. Nice Tua. That's the third Tua for Miami. Miami having a nice break. Carrie C. I think we have to find a Herbert too, don't we? We've still got to find a Herbert in here somewhere. Pulled the Burrow. We pulled the Tua. Got to find a Herbert. Sam Darnold green, Derrick Henry green, and then for the Atlanta Falcons we have a Marlon Davidson. Marlon Davidson green rookie for the Falcons. Red Zone, Alvin Kamara. Dan Marino, Fantasy Flashbacks. Jeff Okuda, C.J. Henderson, Kenneth Murray, Darrington Evans. There's a Herbert. There we go. For the Los Angeles Chargers, we have a Justin Herbert. There we go. Justin Herbert for the Chargers. Darnell Mooney. We have Devontae Adams. Green Joey Bosa. Green Kirk Cousins. And our green rookie is going to the Browns. We have a Grant Delpit. Grant Delpit for the Browns. We found another Jerry Judy for John. Jerry Judy, introductions insert rookie for John. It's a nice one. So a couple Jerry Judys for John. Nice introductions insert here for him. There you go, John. We'll do a recap after the break here, so you guys stay tuned for that as well. There's a Jake Fromm. Got Ben DiNucci. Justin Jefferson, there's a nice one too. The Vikings, Luke S. Second Justin Jefferson of the break. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the regular stuff, so let's do a recap. So we did get the Jerry Judy introductions insert rookie for John. Second Jerry Judy of the break. Then we got a Justin Herbert base for the Chargers. Jeremy W. Introductions insert rookie Tua Tagovailoa from Miami. Tua Tagovailoa base from Miami. Kerry C. Chase Claypool base for Pittsburgh. John K. There you go, John. A couple nice cards for you there, John. Joe Burrow base rookie for Cincinnati. It's Ramona M. Jalen Hurts base. So we hit them all. Jalen Hurts. It's going to Philly. Matthew F. And then we had a green Tua. So we had the base and the green Tua Tagovailoa. Green rookie from Miami. Miami, Kerry C had a perfect break. Nice job. Alright guys, that is going to do it for us in the Absolute. We will be coming right back in about 20 minutes with a Mosaic football break. So if you guys want to check that out, we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Also, you guys should check out our website. We do have a website up now. You can buy directly into these breaks from our website. And when you buy in to the breaks from our website, you will get free shipping on those breaks. So it's very, do yourself a favor and check out the website here. I'm going to put it in the chat for you guys to check out. All you got to do to subscribe is put your name and your email. You'll get notifications for the breaks. You'll also get discounts and rewards when you buy from a website. You'll also get free shipping in the breaks. And right now, during the month of April, if you use code April10%, you will save an extra 10% on your breaks when you buy through the website. Sometimes, guys, sometimes the breaks sell for cheaper on our website than they end up selling for on eBay. So it might be a smart decision for you guys to check out the website and check out what breaks we have up right now. You can buy your team directly from the website. You don't have to worry about going through eBay. So like I said, you'll get free shipping when you buy into the breaks from the website, and you'll get 10% off when you use code April10%. So check it out, guys. Only takes a couple seconds. But that's going to do it for us in this break, guys. So if I don't see you, I'll talk to you later. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We'll see you.